Elise here from Custom Build Marketing. Now, in this video, I want to talk about social media and how tradies can use social platforms to get more clients. Now, I'm not talking about ads here, and I'm not talking about hours and hours on the platform. I'm just talking about 3 really simple strategies that you can actually put into your business, and it's going to help you get more visible. It's going to help clients respond better to your marketing material, and it's going to help that get that phone ringing. Now, number 1 is, yes, you need to be doing social media, and you can do this really easily with before and after photos, and they don't have to be really fancy. Just get your phone on Smoko or whatever works for you. Make sure that you're getting some shots of what things looked like before, and then what it looks like after you have worked your magic on that deck, that fence, that house, whatever it is, before and after photos. Get them. Then put them out everywhere that you are. Put them on your Facebook if you're on Facebook. Put them on Instagram. Put them on your Google My Business. Put them on your website. Put them wherever you are. Have a spot for them. Multiple spots for them if you can. It doesn't take that long to use a scheduling platform to put it out everywhere. So chat to me if you want the recommendations on what those need to be. You can reach out and we can point you in the direction of some software where you just upload it and you don't have to think about it. So get the before and after shots, put them everywhere. When you put them everywhere, you should use local hashtags. So not just hashtag, builder, hashtag whatever, but hashtag Melbourne plumber, hashtag Melbourne, whatever, like put your suburb in there, because that's what people search for. Plumber in Melbourne or roofer in Sydney, wherever you are and whatever your trade is. That is what people are searching for. That is what your hashtags need to be, not just architect or beautiful house like a lot of people do. Keep it local. You only work in certain areas. Do suburb, trade, suburb, trade, suburb, trade. And yes, you can do Melbourne builder, Essendon builder, like all the suburbs within there. So before and after photos, put them everywhere. Use those local hashtags. From there, what you are going to be doing is you are going to be making sure that your language is not about you. It's not like we were established in 1983 and we're a family run business and we are really professional and quality, because all of that stuff is kind of a given, and you want other people to be saying that about you, that you're professional and have quality work. So ask people for reviews. We also have a really simple system to help you get those reviews. We have a partner that they just scan a card, and then they go straight to your Google reviews, and that goes up there, and it makes the process really, really simple. So if you're struggling with reviews, reach out and we can connect you with our Google review partner. Now, from there, the language of your post is really, really important. And the language that you use on your Instagram bio, on your Facebook page about us, on your website when you just land there, it's really important that it's not just about you. You need to be talking there about how you make your clients' lives better and easier. And it's not that you're going to build them a beautiful deck. It's that you're going to build them a beautiful deck that means that they can have outdoor barbecues with friends, and they can have Christmas at their place, and whatever it is that your clients desire from you. And it's not just the deck. They don't want wood in the backyard. What they want is a space for outdoor entertaining, or a space for the kids to play, or they want their lives better and easier. That's why they are getting you, the trade, in to make the changes. It's not because they have the thing, it's so that they can have the experience that the thing lets them have. So have a little bit of a think about what that might be for you. Again, reach out if you need help clarifying any of that language. But your marketing message needs to be about what your client wants. And everything you say has to be put through the filter of how is what you're saying making their lives better or easier. So maybe you are talking about how you clean up after yourself every single day that you're on site, so that that you're not interfering with their family life, so that they don't have to worry about their kids hurting themselves, so that you're taking that time that they would have spent to have to clean up. So everything that you say, put it through the filter of how does that make your clients' lives better or easier? And that is going to be the thing that makes them contact you, because it needs to be all about them, not all about you. So if you need help crafting your message, get in touch with us and we will point you in the right direction. We can help you to workshop some of this if you're looking to DIY. Otherwise, we can take it all from you and we can work our magic on your marketing and get that phone ringing. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this lets you see how you can use social media in a way that is going to be really effective, so that you're not just randomly posting. So we'll recap it again. Before and after photos, you are already there. Take the photos, or get your guys to take the photos. Then use scheduling software so that you're not thinking about social media all the time. You can go around to all your sites, you can take a bunch of photos, you can upload them, and you can schedule them out for the next month, and you don't have to think about social media again. Make sure that they are on Google My Business so that you are showing up on the map. From there, the hashtags, they need to be local hashtags, not just builder, plumber, anything like that, because then people looking for a plumber in Timbuktu are going to be looking at your stuff. We don't want that. You want to be local. And then the language that you use, it's not all about how you created this beautiful deck and how experienced and skilled and wonderful you are, because you are, and you will get that. People will know that from the reviews. But the language, again, needs to be put through the filter of why should they care? Why should they care? How are you making their lives better or easier? So I hope that that was a bit of a reframe for marketing and a reframe for your social media. And I hope that cuts down the time that you're spending scrolling and posting and stressing about all of that. And I hope that it gets your phone ringing. Give us a buzz if you need anything, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.